In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to sell apps on Amazon. Let's get started. First, you'll need to create an Amazon developer account. A regular Amazon shop or Amazon seller account is not enough for publishing apps. Visit the Amazon developer portal, sign in with your email and complete your developer profile by entering your personal or business information. The registration is free, so you can get started without paying an annual developer fee. Once your account is ready, you can explore Amazon's Prime related features. While mobile apps don't receive a physical Prime badge like products sold through Amazon, developers can still benefit from Prime ecosystem. For example, game developers can integrate with Prime Gaming to offer exclusive in-game rewards such as skins, virtual items, or in-game currency for Prime members. You can also implement Amazon's in-app purchasing IAP system, allowing users to make purchases with Amazon coins, which are often offered to customers through special promotions. Next, open the developer console, click Add a new app and choose Android. Upload your app package in APK or AAB format. Then complete your app listing by adding a description, screenshot, icons, and the appropriate age rating for your target audience. Finally, decide how you want to monetize your app. You can publish it as a free download or set a one-time purchase price. If your app includes premium features, subscriptions, or digital content, configure your in-app products using Amazon's in-app purchasing tools. Once your app passes Amazon's review process, it will be available on the Amazon Appstore for compatible Fire TV, Fire Tablet, and supported Android devices. Amazon will process customer payments and share the eligible revenue with you, making it easy to reach millions of users through the Amazon App Store ecosystem. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.